Kamusta? And welcome to the Granja Forest Camp. It has been raining since last night and up to this time. The Typhoon Vampo or Ulysses landed in Luzon, resulting to heavy rains and strong winds. We hope and pray for the safety and well-being of all friends and countrymen. And I hope everyone is safe during this typhoon season. We live in a valley and we are lucky that we do not feel so much the strong winds as it blows, but we can feel the rustling of the leaves and the swaying of the branches in the trees. This is a view from the second level of our home. Here, I can get a good glimpse of the trees surrounding our home. Except for the sounds from coming from the engine, you can only feel or you can only hear the sound of wind in the trees and rustling of leaves. One can also hear the birds chirping, telling someone that it's looking for a place to hide because of the typhoon. There's also this wonderful smell in the air because it has been raining. Typhoons are often misunderstood as destructive to humankind and its impact to the natural environment. But if one is prepared early on, has substantial benefits such that it diminishes air and surface pollution. The rains that typhoon brings replenishes dams and systems, and the wind cools down the earth's temperature.